STEM Nola, that's the New Orleans-based nonprofit that brings science, technology, engineering, and math to kids here and around the country, has flourished during the pandemic.
In fact, during the shutdown, they used their virtual platform to reach out to kids in 47 states and 5 countries. Today, they were preparing for what is their first in-person, hands-on Rocket Day presented by Boeing this Saturday. Founder Dr. Calvin Mackie shared why this Rocket Day is so important.
People just want to come back and be amongst people. And that's what STEM is about. STEM is about doing, but the critical lessons that kids need are the critical skills that they need for the 21st century, which is critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and collaboration. That's what they get from STEM. And you can't get that virtually.
And did we mention that Rocket Day is this Saturday? It's at 9 o'clock on the north side of the Lakefront Arena, and you better move fast because spots are filling up quickly at stemnola.com.